Need to install a PKCS7 certificate file for secure communications? This is a cryptographic standard container that holds digital certificates and certificate chains. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these security credential files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful PKCS7 troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. PKCS7 files are digital certificate container files following the public key cryptography standards number 7 specification. They store X5AS09 digital certificates, certificate chains, and certificate revocation lists used for SSL/TLS encryption, code signing, and email security. PKCS7 certificate files use ASN1-DIR encoding in a signed data structure, containing one or more X5AS09 certificates with their issuer chains. The format supports PEM-base64 text encoding or binary DIR encoding for certificate distribution and chain verification purposes. Your primary software solution for PKCS7 files should be Microsoft Windows Certificate Manager from Microsoft Corporation. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows shows minimal details, so proper access requires the matching key and decryption tool. Your initial diagnostic move. Right-click the PKCS7 file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Windows Certificate Manager is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different PKCS7 variants. If the PKCS7 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. We know the PKCS7 format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, viewing certificate details. Double-click the PKCS7 file on Windows to open the Certificate Manager showing all contained certificates. On macOS, open Keychain Access and drag the file into it. Review certificate subject issuer, validity dates, and chain hierarchy. Use OpenSSL PKCS7 in file.7b. Print certs to display certificate details on command line. Next, installing certificates. On Windows, double-click the PKCS7 file and follow the certificate import wizard to install certificates into your certificate store. Choose Trusted Root or Intermediate Certification Authorities depending on the certificate type. On macOS, drag the file into Keychain Access and set trust levels for each certificate. Finally, converting certificate formats. Use OpenSSL to convert PKCS7 to PEM format with the command OpenSSL PKCS7 in file.7b, print certs, out certificates.pem. Extract individual certificates from the chain for separate installation. Convert to PKCS12 PFX format for applications requiring private key bundled certificates using OpenSSL conversion commands. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.